How to fix app requires newer Android version on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily work around the problem where it says app requires newer version of Android. This usually happens when you have an older version of Android and the app only supports the newer versions. So first thing you'd obviously do is check for system updates. Go to settings. Scroll down until you find software update. Tap on it. Tap on download and install. Right here, you should be able to see your software download. So just go ahead and tap on download the latest updates and you should be good to go. The next step is to update your Google Play services and Play Store. For that, you can go over to Play Store. Tap on the profile icon at the top. And then find settings. From settings, go to about section and then simply find the update Play Store button right there. Tap on it, and if you have a Google Play Store update available, it will show you and it will automatically update the app. And in some cases, what you can also do is download the older version of the app and install it from the official website. So what you can do is search the app names online and write the keyword older version and hit enter. But just make sure that you download it from the official website. Once that is done, you can also try to use the web version of the app. It's available. Many apps like TikTok, YouTube Studio, Reddit, they have a web version. So you can always try to use the web version of the app. Then you can use a secondary with a newer version of Android. So just use a secondary device and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.